What it do, YouTube? It's your boy G, LOC, A&P, repping Rock Island, Illinois, you dig? Usually, you know what I'm saying, I'm known for my rapping. I'm gonna try to see that, you know what I'm saying, on a different day, you know what I'm saying, I'm on some other shit right now. But, a lot of people have heard that I can sing, but nobody's really actually heard me sing, because I really don't like to have that be my main focus. But anyway, to make a long story short, I'm just gonna do a Chris Brown, right time to say goodbye. I think that's what it is, or say goodbye. Just to give a little sample, just to show y'all what's up real quick. It's gonna be out the door. I ain't got no beat to it, you know. I'm in the room.
Baby, come here, sit down, let's talk. Got a lot of things to address, so I guess I'll start by saying that I love you, but this thing ain't been no walk in the park for us. Swear that I know it'll take a minute, swear you understand when I finish, yeah. And I don't wanna see you cry, and I don't even wanna tell you a lie, so how do you let it go when you just don't know it's on other side of the door. When you're walking out, talk about it, and everything I just tried to say, it just went out my head. But I'm gonna do the best I can to get you to understand. There's never a right time to say goodbye, but I gotta make the first move, cause if you don't, you're gonna start hating me. Cause I really don't feel the way I once felt about you. Girl, it's not you, it's me. I gotta figure out what I need. Oh, it's never a right time to say goodbye, but we know that we're gonna go our separate ways. And I know it's hard, but I'm gonna do it, and it's killing me. It's never the right time to say goodbye.
Young Jig, LOC, be on the lookout.